This one, I think this is from Ate Margie. Next, this one is from my sister, Ate Joy. This one is from Marga. So who give me the pink one then? This one is from Ate Oye. So this one is from Madam Raquel. So this is from Madam Raquel. This one is from Stella Rabin. Is this one? This is from Sir Con, Ate Far, and Alma. This one is from Amira. Thank you so much, Angel. With special mention to Adrian, who did my birthday balloons, and shout out also to Ate Rica, who really planned everything. Birthday cake, which is really nice. I will put in this section so you can see. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Blagadag Pearl. For today's video, I will unbox all the gifts that they give me on my birthday last week. Actually, my birthday was September 25, but then my friend, she had some emergency, so she had to flew back to the Philippines, and she really want to join my birthday, and she's the one who created my cake for my birthday, so I have to wait for her. Then we planned for after 2 weeks of my birthday. So for today's video, I will show you guys all the gifts that they gave to me on my birthday party last week. So first, I have to show you guys first day. This one, I think this one is from Marga. Yes, I'm sure it is from Marga, one of my friend. So I have to check what is this. Oh wow! Oh my god, it's really nice. My picture frame with my photo on it. I really love it. You know guys, I work for a week now and night shift, and it's really hard for me to open the gift that they gave to me. But really, thank you, Marga. Thank you for the gift. So this is from Marga. I really appreciate it, and it's a really beautiful picture of mine. So thank you so much. Thank you, Marga. I love it. I really love it. This one. Next, this is from Ate Margie. See this one. Wow. This is from Choice. If you knew the brand. Yeah. My phone is like choosing the blurred this one. It's choosing my face, so it's fine. But this is from Ate Margie. Actually, this gift she gave to me on my birthday, so I'm really happy. They surprised me with a birthday cake, a birthday dinner, plus a gift. So really thank you, Ate Margie. Shout out to Ate Margie. Thank you for the gift. I love you. I love you also, Marga. Thank you for the gift. Next, this one is from my sister, Ate Joy. So actually, I already opened this one, but see, wow, a really nice shirt. And a bottle. So thank you so much, Ate Joy, for the gift, for the love and support. I really appreciate it. I love you too. Thank you so much, Ate Joy. Next, this one. This one is from Marga. So who gave me the pink one then? So this is from Marga. So I have to check who gave me the picture frame. I'm sorry. If this is from Marga. Yeah, this is from Marga. Sorry. Thank you so much, Dang, for the gift. Thank you so much for the perfume. I think. Yeah. Thank you so much. I really forgot to give you the picture frame, the pink one. But this one is from Marga. It's showing here. Happy birthday. So guys, next time if you give gift for me, please write your name so at least I can remember, because that time I was really overwhelmed and surprised and happy. So I kind of forgot who's giving me the gift because I was really busy doing the vlog and everything else. So But I was really appreciate whatever you give to me. So thank you so much. I think that is from, no, I will not assume, but later I will check. This one is from Ate Oye. Actually, she gave me this one after the party because she said that hasn't wrapped yet. So first one, she gave me a Kipling bag. I think this is a sling bag. Yes. So I'll open this one. This is for my birthday. Wow, it's really nice, and it suits for my outfit for today. A Kipling wallet. I hope there's a money inside. Joke. Wow, it's really nice. Thank you so much, Ate Oye. Thank you for the love. Oh, this is expensive. Thank you so much for this one. And Steve Madden sandals. So thank you so much, Ate Oye, for the gift that you gave to me. Thank you so much. Next, we will proceed to this one. So this one is from Madam, the friend of Ate Jenny. She gave me also this one. Yes, from Madam Raquel. So this is from Madam Raquel Ascari, if correct me if I'm wrong, to Pearl. So this one, she has take this one. She gave me a Body and Soul gift voucher. So she has a salon here in Oman, which is located in Avenue Mall, 3rd floor, Sky Lounge, next to Gold's Gym, the ladies entrance. So she gave me a gift voucher. So thank you so much, Ate Raquel. Just the first time I met you, but you gave me gift already. So really, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And not only that, she gave me also this huge Lavelle chocolate. I think this is very expensive, guys. So I really appreciate it, Ate Raquel or Madam Raquel. Thank you so much for your gift. Thank you so much, Madam Raquel. Thank you so much. Next, this one is from Stella Rabin. She gave me also after the day of my birthday because she's not able to come because of some priority events. So she gave me this one after my birthday party because the next morning we went to a birthday party as well. So she gave me this one. So thank you so much. This is from Thailand. So okay. So like a face mask, I think. Yes. Anti-aging and everything. So thank you so much, Stella Rabin, for your gift. Next one, guys, I will show you. Aside from the dress Ate Margie gave, she gave me also this one. And earrings. The day on my birthday, and then I wore this one, if you can see in my picture. Also, she gave me this bracelet because it suits for the event, which is Moana. So thank you so much, Ate Margie. And yeah, and this one as well. So she gave me she gave me earrings and 2 bracelets plus that yellow dress. And then Ate Oye also gave me her bracelet, the 3 of her bracelet that time. So thank you so much, Ate Oye and Ate Margie. Thank you so much for the gift. Next is this one. This is from Sir Con, Ate Far, and Alma. So Ate Far really loved me actually. She gave me this one. Actually, they gave me this one. A really nice handbag from Zohair Morad, Fashion Fast Arabia. So this bag is really nice because you can put a lot of things inside. And I think this is expensive kind of bag. You know, guys, I just have a bag from my friends. They give me a lot of bags, especially Ate Sandy. She gave me bags all the time. Mother-in-law, Madam Au, and Ate Far. Thank you so much, Ate Far, Sir Con, and Alma, thank you so much for the gift. Thank you so much for the love and time, effort you gave to me. Everyone who's giving me gift and presents on my birthday. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ate Far, Sir Con, and Alma. So guys, next is, you know, my aside from gift, they give me also flowers. But as you can see now, the flowers is a little bit dying because this is a fresh flower. But since my birthday was last week, we celebrated last week, so now it's look like this one. But still, I keep it because I really love it and I really appreciate. This one is from Amira, our friend Amira, Ate Rica's friend. She gave to me. Yes, happy birthday, Pauline from Amira. So thank you so much, Amira, for the beautiful flower that you gave to me. Thank you for your time, effort, and love. Thank you so much. Even though you're Ate Rica's friend and we're just new friend of mine, but still you give me a flowers. Plus you had over also a gift card. Not a gift card, a birthday card. So just now I will open it to read it because you know guys, I want my birthday gift or this vlog to be special. So I really open everything just now, just to to be surprised. And wow, it's really nice. Happy birthday, dear Pauline. Wishing you a very happy birthday from Amina. Thank you so much, Amina. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the birthday card plus the flower. Thank you, Amina. It's Amina or Amira. Thank you so much. And the last one is from my because this is very big. This is from my angels. Actually, guys, sorry for this one, but it's already detached everything well because it was a week ago. So the flower is dying, but see, it's very huge. See, it's a huge flower, guys. If you can see in my picture, it's really nice. The flower is color red and it's really full of flowers, and it's really, you see my face, very small. The flower is very huge and very I was really shocked when I saw this one because first time that I received a really huge flower on my birthday. So thank you so much, Angel. Which Jofer, Janbi, Sophie, and Sophie. Jofer, Janbi, Sophie, and Marga. Thank you so much for the flowers, and Jomar as well because she did not come because of she have work that time. And special mention to Adrian who did my birthday balloons. I still have here, as you can see, this one, guys. He gave to me this one, and he created also the balloon on my birthday at the Crown Plaza. So he came early just to set up everything and made the balloons, the setup, everything. So thank you so much, Adrian, for the love and support, for the effort that you gave to me. And shout out also to Ate Rica, who really planned everything and to invite everyone, and all the planning was really from her. So thank you so much, Ate, Madam Rica, for that, and everyone who came on my birthday. So thank you so much. I really appreciate every single one of you, even though sometimes I'm asking myself, am I deserving of your love? Am I deserving of your time and effort? But really thank you for your time, effort, and unconditional love. And shout out also to Ate Margie, Ate Rica, Ate Sandy, Madam Ao for my birthday cake, which is really nice. I will put in this section so you can see what my cakes look like. So really thank you so much for that. Thank you for the balloon, thank you for the cake, thank you for the love, thank you everyone who came, give me gift, presents. Your presence is already a gift for me. So thank you so much. Thank you for the love and everything. So I'm really overwhelmed, guys, from all the support that that you gave to me. So thank you so much. Shout out to everyone who's in the picture. I will also put the picture here who came on my birthday, so at least you will see in my blog or on my blog. So this all the people who came on my birthday. Shout out to everyone. I love you all. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like to see more of my videos, please hit the like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video.